Hazrat Ali, known as the Lion of Allah, was the epitome of courage and bravery. His fearless and unwavering spirit in the face of adversity is a true inspiration for all of us. One of the most famous incidents that showcase Hazrat Ali's incredible courage is the Battle of Khaybar. Despite being severely outnumbered, Hazrat Ali fearlessly faced the enemy, one after another, defeating them with his unmatched skill and bravery. Hazrat Ali's bravery was not limited to the battlefield. His righteousness and fearlessness in standing up for justice and truth, even in the most difficult of circumstances, make him a role model for all of humanity. Hazrat Ali's courage was not just about physical strength, but also about his moral and spiritual strength. His unwavering faith in Allah and his commitment to justice make him a true hero for all time. In every aspect of his life, Hazrat Ali exemplified what it means to be truly courageous. His legacy continues to inspire and guide us, reminding us to always stand up for truth and justice, no matter the odds. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content like this.